Derive Hamilton's canonical equations of motion. In Hamiltonian formulation, we provide a generalized momenta and independent status. In general, Hamiltonian is regarded as a function of the position of coordinates qj, the momenta pj, and the time t, that is h is equal to h bracket starts qj comma pj comma t bracket close. So the dh is equal to sigma j del h upon del qj into dqj plus sigma j del h upon del pj into dpj plus del h upon del t into dt. This is equation 1. Further, h is defined as h is equal to sigma j pj qj dot minus l bracket starts qj comma qj dot comma t bracket close, so that dh is equal to sigma qj dot into dpj plus sigma pj dqj dot minus dl, which is equation 2. But the Lagrangian is l is equal to l bracket starts qj comma qj dot comma t bracket close, which implies del l is equal to sigma j del l upon del qj dqj plus sigma j del l upon del qj dot into dqj dot plus del l upon del t into dt, which is equation 3. Now putting the value of dl from 3 in equation 2, we get dh is equal to sigma j qj dot into dpj plus sigma j pj into dqj dot minus sigma j del l upon del qj dqj minus sigma j del l upon del qj dot into dqj dot minus del l upon del t into dt. Now the Lagrangian equation we have d over dt bracket starts del l upon del qj dot bracket close minus del l upon del qj is equal to 0. Or d over dt pj minus del l upon del qj is equal to 0, because pj is equal to del l upon del qj dot bracket close, or del l upon del qj is equal to pj dot and del l upon del qj dot is equal to pj. Now putting these in equation 4, we get del dh is equal to sigma j qj dot dpj plus sigma j pj dqj dot minus sigma j pj dot dqj minus sigma j pj dqj dot minus del l upon del t dt, which is equal to sigma j qj dot dpj minus sigma j pj dot dqj minus del l upon del l upon del t dt, which is equation 5. Now comparing the coefficients of equation 5 and 1, we get qj dot is equal to del H upon del Pj, and Pj dot is equal to minus del H upon del Qj, which is equation 6, and minus del L upon del T is equal to del H upon del T, which equation 6 is Hamilton's equation of motion, of commonly referred to as Hamiltonian canonical equation of motion.